Okay, here's a bottle of Pucara olive oil. On the back there's a QR code. This QR code is linked to a phone website which gives details of a trip to Australia by chefs using the olive oil in Japan. So I'm just going to go down and scan the QR code, and up comes a website that links to the itinerary for a 5-day trip to Australia by Japanese chefs. Now on there is the itinerary from day 1 down to day 5, and a few of the companies there that are involved in the trip. So if we go on to day 1, it comes up with the companies there. The first one there is the Radisson Hotel, where the tour group check into. So here's the Radisson. There's some details there, and it's already linked so it can call the Radisson directly. Another one, Dank Street restaurant, which is one of the restaurants we'll be visiting, and there's the chef Jared Ingersoll, and on the cover of his book it describes the restaurant and what we'll be doing. Again, there's the numbers of the restaurant can be called, it can be saved and sent back. Down to day 2, day 3, see what happens here. Day 3 we check into Palazzo Versace on the Gold Coast. So there's day 3's itinerary, and here's Palazzo Versace, there's the foyer. Day 4 we go to Zenfield's Coffee, Brook Farm and Byron Bay. There's Brook Farm. It's a macadamia oil that's exported to Japan now. So there again is details of the trip. So that just really anybody in Japan now can read about the trip, the food tour, directly from a bottle of olive oil on a shelf or in a restaurant or anywhere. Another part, perhaps another one more company, Jetstar. This is the airline we're taking between Sydney and Gold Coast. Blue Mountains. So it just goes through the various parts of the tour, and this is in English, but the main site is actually in Japanese for the tour group. And that is our tour of Australia for Japanese chefs, starting in April 2009.